Alright, so in this video I'm going to be talking about one of the most easiest and cheapest mods that made my 2019 Mustang GT look so much better. Alright, so if you are planning on getting a Mustang in general and are wondering what should I do first to it, I say tint, because you don't want to be driving around like, for example, this Ford Explorer, basically a whole fishbowl. Everyone can see you, plus sunlight enters so easily compared to this, which is ceramic tint. The front, it is 15% and all around is 5%. So yeah, that's the first basically main mod you should ever do before you even start like planning on getting like wheels, for example, or like exhaust, intake, whatever. So if you guys are wondering what it looks like from the inside, this is what it looks like. Like I said, the front windshield is 15%. I used to have it double, actually. I did 15 plus, I think, 15, so it came out to like 3%. So that was too dark, so I had to take that off, and currently have 15%, which is perfect to me. Not too dark where I'm like, damn, I can't see at night, and like not too light where I'm like, damn, it's so see-through, you know. But yeah, it is worth it for sure. I say this is the first mod you should ever do, like, before anything, because you wouldn't want to be driving around, like, for example, like I said, in that it's like so see-through. And I mean, he does have his back windows a little tinted, so that, see, that's the difference it makes. Like, for example, like, no, let me see if I could go right here, like, no window tint, no window tint, window tint. So those are the pros and cons of having a window tint as well. So yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and keep those post notifications on, because I will be posting a lot about my car, and I'm trying to build it as best as I can. So if you are new to the channel, go watch my other videos so you guys can hear and see what I have planned for it. It is a 2019 Mustang GT, like I said.